Hello, and today I'm going to walk you through how to create an account on the Fitbit app. So the first thing is open up the Fitbit app after downloading from Google Play Store or from the Apple App Store. Then you sign in with Google, or you can sign in with Fitbit if you already have an account. So you're a new user, continue as a new user. If you already have an account, you can sign into the existing Fitbit account. So I'm a new user. So you read through all this, and once you do that, you mark that you've agreed and continue. Then you put in your profile using the information to calculate some matrices like your stride length and speed. So put in your height, your weight. Let me use this. You put in your weight, your sex. Because if it uses sex to calculate matrices like your calories burnt and to provide reference points you can use for comparison, then you save and continue. Then it's ready to use. So click on continue, read, agree, or you can say no thanks. Do you want email notification preference? I say I don't want them. So save and continue. So do you want to just use the app or set up a device like a smartwatch or a tracker? So you just want to use it on the phone. So add phone. Then click on continue. Explain how it works and how you can manage your data. Click on I agree after reading through it. Then you have to allow Fitbit to access your physical activity. Click on allow. Then you can try it for 90 days at no charge, cancel anytime. For the premium, I don't want to, so I click on cancel at the top. Do you want to get more information with data with Health Connect? Not now for me. Ready to go? Click on done. And that's it. We've created an account on Fitbit app. Hope you found this video helpful.